Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you edit or how can you cancel your bid on ebay.com. That is a shopping website where you can just bid for any item and you can just win the auction and buy that demanding or trendy item to your home. So for this, we just need to go on the eBay website here. I will show you. This is my Safari browser. I will search for any of item which I want, like I want shoes in auction. So there is shoes and there is all option. You can just switch to the auction button clicking on the right here. Just click on that auction and here you will see the current price for every auction here, that is $29.99 here. Here you will see the first option called Bliss place bid. I will firstly show you that how can you place a bid, and after that I will show you that how can you edit that bid. Firstly, I will simply click on the $32 bid here, confirm that bid, and the bid is now done. But you can see the bid is out of auction right now, so I will click on the increase bid option here, and maximum bid is 32, so this time I will post $50 on the bid, and again I will confirm it, and the bid is now changed from 32 to $50. And that is the video. That is what you have to do in this video in order to change your bid. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. If you have any question, any query, or any other type of confusion, so just drop that into the comment section.